Good day everyone. For today's video, I am going to solve vapor compression cycle. So first problem, refrigerant enters the evaporator at enthalpy H1 is equal to 250 kilojoules per kilogram and leaves at H2 is equal to 400 kilojoules per kilogram. So find the refrigeration effect. So QL is equal to H2 minus H1. So QL is H2 is equal to 400 minus H1 is equal to 250 kilojoules per kilogram. So our QL is 150 kilojoules per kilogram. So for our next problem, refrigerant enters compressor at H1 is equal to 400 kilojoules per kilogram and leaves at H2 is equal to 450 kilojoules per kilogram. So find the compressor work. So the formula for the compressor work is simply W is equal to H2 minus H1. So our H2 is 450 minus H1, which is 400 kilojoules per kilogram. Our compressor work is equal to 50 kilojoules per kilogram. On to our third problem. Refrigerant enters condenser at H2 is equal to 450 kilojoules per kilogram and leaves at H3 is equal to 280 kilojoules per kilogram. Find the heat rejected. So heat rejected is equal to QH is equal to H2 minus H3. So QH is equal to 450 minus 280 kilojoules per kilogram. So our QH or heat rejected is 170 kilojoules per kilogram. So on to our fourth problem, find COP. So we have the given QL is equal to 150 kilojoules per kilogram and WN is equal to 50 kilojoules per kilogram. So the formula for COP is equal to QL over WN. Simply COP is equal to 150 divided by 50. So our COP is 3.0. On to our last problem, we have complete cycle calculation. We have given H1 is equal to 250 kilojoules per kilogram, H2 is equal to 400 kilojoules per kilogram, H3 is equal to 450 kilojoules per kilogram, and H4 is equal to 280 kilojoules per kilogram. So find the A refrigeration effect for the QL, B the compressor work for the WN, C is the heat rejected or the QH, and D is the COP. So the solution for the refrigeration effect is QL is equal to H2 minus H1. So simply QL is equal to 400 minus 450 and for QL is 150 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is the compressor work. Compressor work is equal to H3 minus H2. So 450 minus 400, our compressor work is 50 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is the heat rejected or the QH. QH is equal to H3 minus H4. QH is equal to, our H3 is 450 minus 280. Our QH is 170 kilojoules per kilogram. And last is the COP. And the formula for COP is equal to QL over compressor work. So COP is equal to 150 divided by 50. Cancel the units. So our COP is 3.0. And that's all. Thank you.